Hi, I'm Eimear. I'm the Quality Supervisor here at the Dolce Vita Northern Ireland, Head Office and Prep Centre. Our previous grease trap was installed in 2019. Since then, our production facility has increased its capacity, so therefore we needed a different grease management solution. We got in contact with Grease Guardian and Neil came out to do a site survey initially. We decided on 2 grease traps. One of them is connected to the ovens and the other is connected to the sink. It was Tommy who helped us do the install. It was hassle-free. He made sure that whenever he was doing the install it didn't affect our production operation. We've had no issues to report since the install. The grease traps just do their work in the background and the maintenance of them is minimal. It takes a couple of minutes out of the guy's day to service it. We've noticed that with our old grease management system that there was a lot more odour issues, and with this it doesn't seem to be an issue, so yeah, we're very happy about that. Grease Guardian have been very helpful. The whole process was done with the best interests of our business and we're very happy with the product. I'd absolutely recommend Grease Guardian to others, especially food prep facilities like ourselves.